We just put a bunch of Tannerite down at about 100 yards and covered it up from some boards from the barn, and it's pretty cold out. We'll see what happens when we hit this thing. If I hit this thing.
We're gonna hit it.
New rifles. Worked out pretty good.
So we're gonna see what Tannerite's done to this chair. Should be pretty interesting. We've made a new chair. It's yep. That was a fully functioning.
I knew I shouldn't have used my favorite chair.
Right, we're out here with the 2016 Elite Impulse 34, the latest offering in the hunting bows, built for speed. And I'm here, we're going to shoot some bow mags at some Tannerite. We're not sure how this is going to play out, but let's give it a shot and see what happens, eh? The weight of that is so different.
It's so low.
I know, it's really an arrow. Well, I'm shooting fucking way left. Well, we tried with the bow mag. I think we've determined that's not possible, so let's finish her off here properly. Yep. That's how you finish her off.
Looks like we're going to be late for work cleaning up foam.
Well, at least we've resolved some of those issues that this is more like a Mythbusters kind of thing, that you can't get a bow mag to explode
Into foam.
into foam. Just doesn't happen.
Or maybe even at all. Who knows?
I've yet to see one explode at all. So, moral of the story is the 223. It's always the way to go. We're out here and we've got the 2014 Impulse 34 Elite bow.
Wait.
Yeah?
It's 2016.
Yeah. Let's start again. Oh, shit. This is gonna be pretty fucking impossible.
How is that fucking possible? That this is sitting on that Tannerite and it didn't even explode.